It began as a flicker, just a faint blip buried in reams of sky scanning data. To most, it would have looked like background noise, another meaningless speck among billions. But telescopes from Hawaii to South Africa caught it. Then NASA confirmed it. An object cold, silent, and fast was moving through our solar system. But it wasn't following any known pattern. It wasn't a comet, not a rogue asteroid. It wasn't even gravitationally bound to our sun, the way we expect celestial visitors to behave. It was something else. And now, as the James Webb Space Telescope locks its gaze onto this object now officially designated 3-Eye Atlas, scientists are facing questions too terrifying to speak aloud. Because the deeper we look into space, the more it feels like something is looking back. Initially labeled 3-Eye Atlas, the object began to exhibit anomalies that set it apart from natural interstellar visitors, like Oumuamua and Borisov. Its brightness was too high for its apparent size, suggesting a surface that reflected light like polished metal. More strangely, it lacked a cometary tail and showed no signs of outgassing, yet its trajectory kept shifting, ever so slightly in ways gravity alone couldn't explain. The James Webb Space Telescope was quickly redirected to observe it in greater detail. What it found only deepened the mystery. Thermal patterns that suggested asymmetric heat absorption, spectral signatures hinting at engineered carbon structures, and internal density readings that pointed to possible hollow cavities, anomalies that no ordinary rock should possess. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, known for his controversial view that Oumuamua might have been an artificial object, once again stepped into the spotlight. He urged the scientific community to consider the possibility that 3-Eye Atlas isn't a random interstellar fragment, but something designed, perhaps an autonomous probe, built by a civilization far older than ours. His call was met with cautious interest by some and outright dismissal by others. But behind the scenes, space agencies began pulling back. Data portals were closed, updates delayed, and observation logs redacted. Researchers reported restricted access and unexplained reassignments. Whatever was being discovered, it had moved beyond science. It had entered the realm of control. Now, as the object silently glides past the inner planets, one unsettling possibility lingers. What if it's not just passing through? What if it was meant to be found by us at this precise point in our technological evolution? A test, a signal, or a mirror held up to humanity's growing awareness of its place in the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope, built to peer into the origins of the universe, may have instead stumbled upon something not from the past, but from a future more advanced than our own. Whether natural or artificial, 3-Eye Atlas has shaken the foundations of our assumptions. Because in the vast silence of space, we may have finally heard something whisper back,